Immaculate first floor condo in great condition. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live in Hunting Run. Upgrades in 2023 include new paint, closet doors replaced, all floor tile professionally cleaned and sealed, all carpets professionally cleaned and scotch guarded. All flooring is a few years old. New HWH, Bradford White Defender Series, outdoor lights replaced, new front door lock. Within the last several years, the fireplace was refaced with Old Williamsburg brick from floor to ceiling to include a custom hearth and mantle. New blinds installed in the kitchen, dining area, bedroom and bath. The HOA includes 2 clubhouses, 2 pools, playgrounds, basketball and tennis courts. Chimney was inspected by Cinderfella in December 2022. Dryer vent was also cleaned by K&M Mechanical 1 2023. This condo back up to the woods for added privacy. Currently tenant occupied with showings only Monday, Wednesday.